Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So I will put the power 3 for the both sides to cancel about the cubic root. Because we have x, so I will put number 1 go to the left and we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So we have 3u squared du. First derivative of x, we have number 1, so we have number 2 dx. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when s equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 gone here. So we have u equals to number 1. When s equals to number 1, so I will put number 1 gone here. And we can find the value of u. So u equals to the cubic root of number 3. So number 0 we change by number 1. Number 1 we change by this one. This one we change by u. S we change by this one. The s we change by this one. Now I will put 3 over 2 go outside. U squared divided by u, we have u. This one, we have u to the power of 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2. So this one, we have negative 11 over 2. Next, u multiplied by this one and this one. And now we have the final answer. And now I will need to put the bounds from number 1 to the cubic root of number 3. And now we have the final answer in here. So I will put this one gone here. This one gone here. Number 1 gone here. And number 1 gone here. So if we calculate about this one, that is approximate about negative number 3.6693, and that is the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.